ventricular septum. Okay? Tricuspid valve on the right side of the heart.
Right ventricle.
And atrium, it connects.
Okay.
This is the bicuspid valve. Okay? Coordinate tendinate. Check your spelling and your pronunciation, please. These are the coordinate tendinate. Papillary muscle. Connect them. This is papillary muscle. This is the openings in here are the trabeculae carnae on both ventricles. Okay? Trabeculae carnae. Okay? This is the aortic semilunar valve. Aortic semilunar. This is the pulmonary. For the pulmonary, you need to turn it. Go to your pulmonary artery, and in there, you'll find your pulmonary semilunar valve. Okay? The coronary sinus, we know, it's on the back, on the posterior side of the heart. Coronary sinus. The coronary vessels are in here. You see this fat? Well, these little lines are coronary vessels. All of these are little vessels. Moderator band is on the right side of the heart.
Right ventricle.
Ventricle of the heart, correct. That is the moderator band.